This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 324 mbs is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a river rock interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, TV antenna, skylight, LP detector, slide out, self-contained, microwave, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 324 mbs is 11,156 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.